3.831/5.000. Dolange brought his blockbuster new car to the Guangzhou Auto Show, and the 2025 YUKON Yukon will be unveiled soon. The 2025 GMC YUKON Yukon full-size luxury SUV is scheduled to be launched simultaneously and will be released in two models, YUKON Denali and YUKON Denali Ultimate. The name Yukon means perfection. The model name is inspired by the Yukon region on Canada's northwestern border, which is famous for its topography of mountains and rivers and its deep and vibrant historical heritage. The 2025 YUKON Yukon Denali model will bring a unique sense of luxury and excellent quality experience to Chinese consumers with its appearance that boasts high aura and peak design, high luxury and executive space, high performance and overall power. The design language of the GMC brand combines centuries-old heritage and American style, displaying a strong sense of sculpture and power. The unique American luxury design carries the classics and is cleverly developed. The large-area trapezoidal grille facing the wind has an active air intake function and is integrated with the solid and majestic body lines, showing the innate authoritarian style and majestic momentum. The body size of 5,357 mm*, 2,058 mm*, 1940 mm, and the ultra-long wheelbase of 3,071 mm not only provide YUKON Denali with executive-level luxury space, but also interpret the peak aura of American luxury full-size SUVs. The iconic daytime running lights reflect the taillights, emphasizing the hard lines. The multi-layer matrix-shaped GMC Precision LED headlights show a more recognizable and sharp look. The 2025 YUKON Yukon Denali debuts as the top model for the first time, and the Vader Chrome Special Appearance Package further enhances the personality and luxury qualities. For the first time, special 22-inch Denali Peak Edition special aluminum alloy wheels processed with ultra-bright technology are used. With dark chrome elements and black logo ornaments throughout the car, the luxury temperament and sporty style are in harmony. Quality begins with the details and ends with the luxurious experience. The 2025 YUKON Denali series adopts a new interior design and is committed to creating a unique executive luxury space for users. The horizontally elongated center console complements the vertically mounted 16.8-inch large center control screen, creating a harmonious union between the sense of spacious and luxurious space and the sense of modern technology. The center console cover panel is made of matte solid wood and uses advanced laser engraving technology to present the contour map of Denali Peak, the highest peak in North America, and hints at an elegant texture beyond luxury. YUKON Yukon Denali, the original three-row theater-style high-luxury executive seat layout, first-class grain first-layer genuine leather, American stitching technology and step-high seating position and large panoramic sunroof, allow passengers in all three rows to enjoy a wide field of vision and a comfortable ride. The second row is also equipped with multifunctional executive seats that support electric adjustment, ventilation, heating and massage functions, providing an extremely comfortable driving experience and allowing you to enjoy a high level of luxury and comfort. Rich configurations offer users an exclusive luxury experience. Peak Edition is equipped with a rear audio-visual entertainment system to achieve a special and immersive experience, and can also share entertainment through Bose Performance 22-speaker Premium Series audio. The first and second rows of seats are equipped with headrest speakers combined with advanced sound field positioning, audio pilot noise compensation and virtual surround sound and other advanced technologies, allowing each listener to create an auditory feast as if they were in a concert hall.